Paid by people you know is a very useful feature on Cash App. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. In Cash App, paid by people you know refers to transactions that you receive from individuals who are in your contact list or who you have in your network, such as friends, family members, or people you know. These are typically person-to-person or P2P payments made by people you have in your phone's contact list or have connected with on a Cash App. The Paid by People You Know feature on Cash App allows users to send and receive payments from people who are already in their contact list. This means that if you have someone's phone number or email address in your contacts, you can send them money through Cash App without needing to know their Cash App username or ID. When you send money through this feature, the recipient will receive a notification that they have received a payment from someone in their contacts list. They can then choose to accept or decline the payment. If they accept the payment, the money will be transferred to their Cash App balance, and they can withdraw it to their bank account or use it to make purchases.